Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Edith Noble video. And in this week's video, happy Easter. And I am going to be doing an Easter bake with me. It's not really baking because I'm making Rice Krispie treats, but I figured it would be a fun video. And I'm going to do two different fun Easter things with Rice Krispie treats. The first one looks like this, if it'll focus. And basically, you put the Rice Krispie treats in cupcake tins or muffin tins, and then you put these little eggs in them, and then it looks like bird's nests. And the second thing I'm gonna be doing is based on something that my mom tore out of a magazine last year. She gave me this and said, I challenge you. I'm gonna be making something like this, where it's just like on popsicle sticks.
Perfect.
Okay, what you'll need for the first thing, which is the bird's nest, is the cupcake tins, a spoon obviously, a big bowl, Rice Krispies, I'm using chocolate ones, mini eggs or whatever candy you're putting in them, one bag of marshmallows, 3 tablespoons, I think tablespoons, of butter. And first you're going to melt the butter. Okay guys, so I finished, it's a little while later, and I finished the bird's nest, and I think they look really nice. I just used a spoon and took a scoop, and then with my fingers kind of just pressed it down around. It was a little tricky because it was so sticky, but I think they turned out nice. I have a bunch of them, more than this tray. And I forgot to grease the pan, so we'll see how they come out. But now I'm gonna make the lollipop-like ones. And so I'm just gonna do the same way to make them, and then just shape them with cookie cutters. So basically, I made them and I tried to do the cookie cutters, and it did not work at all because they were too warm. So I just made a pan, and I'm gonna let them cool and everything, and then cut out the shapes because the marshmallows were too hot and it was just not working. So I'll pick this up once it's done. Alright guys, so we finished them, and we kind of changed some things that I thought I was gonna do. And so I cut the tray ones out with cookie cutters, and we melted some candy melts and made some little candy Easter shapes and drizzled the candy melts over the cutout ones. And I think it just all looks really nice. It's gonna make great dessert and snacks to give to people. So I hope you loved watching this. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you next video. Bye.